This is a very small tutorial on how to deactivate your AWS account. So if you have logged in for the first time, you have a free tier. This is free for you to use, and with S3 you have up to 5 GB, and this is valid for 12 months. And of course, if you it depends on the use, but you will not after the 12 months you will not get charged for anything unless you decide to deploy them, to use them. And if you want to go more defensive, you can just also deactivate your account. So this is what I'm going to show you today in this tutorial. So you need to click here on account, go there to your billing management, and you can simply click on close account, and you need your ID. So I'm going to give my account ID, copy paste, close account, and your account closure request is submitted. An email will be sent once closed. Your account will not be closed if it manages an organization with active member accounts. So this is clear enough. I'll be waiting, of course, for the email, and then of course you can check it on yourself. If you have any problem with this very simple procedure, please let me know in the comment section, so we can help with some discussions and some other insights in order to try to solve problems where probably one has more than one active account or dependent members on a root account or something like that. And the goal is, of course, to save you money and make you be sure that you are not losing your budget, so to say. So thank you for watching this video, and until next time.